If you like this video and channel, click on the like button and subscribe button. Also, if you want to have notification when new video released, click on the notified button. Hello, welcome in video where you can see how to archive and retrieve project in TIA portal. How we can see, we have some project. To archive the project, we click on the name of the project in the project tree, then click on the project property and click on the archive. How you can see, selected source to be archived is our project, and there is source patch, and then you can select some settings for archiving. We choose archive as compressed file, and as first we try to add date and time to the target name. And here is the target patch where you want to archive the project. After this we can click on the archive button, and now archiving of the project is done. For example, we check the folder, and how we can see, here we have the archived project in the defined folder. Now we can go back to the TIA portal and try again archive this project without checking the add date and time to target name. We click on the archive, and now how we can see, the archived file have the only name of the project and don't have the date when we archive this project. Okay, now we try to retrieve this archived project. As first we close actual project and go back again to the project property and click on the retrieve. You go to the folder where is your retrieve file. For example, we try to retrieve the file with the date in the name, and then you select the target directory where you want to retrieve the archived project. For example, we save it to the archived folder and then click on the select folder, and how we can see, the retrieve of the other project is done and the program is the same as in the project before. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.